Welcome back to Living 808, and once again, we welcome onto the show Martha Clopen. Thank you so much for being here with us. We appreciate it. The Managing Director of GetToInsurance.com. Thank you.
Thank you, John.
Okay, we always ask you insurance questions, so let's just go ahead and start with this. What is the most common question that you receive from folks that want to know information?
How do I replace my Social Security card? That's
okay.
the most common question.
That would, your answer to that is?
Well, my answer to that is there's a few ways, but a new way is by going online.
What are some of the reasons why, I mean, I know why it's important, but I'd love for you to tell us, what's so important about the Social Security card?
Well, the first thing is if you want to get a job, one of the ways they verify you now is by using that Social Security number. But basically that number tracks your whole work history, and when you retire, you get benefits based on the amount of time and experience shown on your Social Security record.
Okay, so it is important to have, obviously, because mine always stays in my records. I rarely ever bring it out. But what is the quickest way that we can replace it if it's lost?
Well, the quickest way now is you can go online and set up a My Social Security account. In the past, you had to call Social Security, you had to visit an office. So now it's a convenient way to replace that Social Security card.
Okay, there are a ton of other services that you guys provide at Get to Insurance. Can you give us some of the ones that you guys are helping folks with?
Sure. Well, we help folks with just general questions about their insurance. A lot of folks don't even bother to check to see what they have until the time of service. So one of the things that we do, besides making different insurance products available, is we love answering questions and steering people in the right direction to make sure they get the most out of their insurance benefits.
That's awesome. I know you've helped a lot of people. We've had a lot of testimony on the show about you. So thank you so much for that. All that you're doing for folks. I do have another Social Security question. Somebody wants to set it up online. How can they set up Social Security online?
Right. They need to go to ssa.gov, samapple.gov, and make sure they're visiting the .gov site, because there are a lot of fakes out there. But you can very easily set up this My Social Security account. You can use it to replace your Social Security card. You can also use it to find out how much money you might get when that retirement day comes.
What is the best way to get a hold of you if somebody has any questions about something that you provide?
Well, I really enjoy people just give me a call. Most people are so surprised that I answer my phone, but I do. So I like for people to just give me a call at 808-230-3379, and a lot of people do call me, and they are always so surprised that they reach me.
And if somebody doesn't want to talk to you, which I have no idea why they wouldn't want to, there is a website.
Sure, they can visit the website. It's get2insurance.com, get2insurance.com.
Well, I always love talking to you, Martha. Thank you so much for actually being in the studio this time. Most of the time we have our conversations in the lounge, but this is nice to have you here in the studio.
I love it. Thank you so much, John, for having me.
Thank you. Yes. Remember, it's get2insurance.com, and we'll have more on Living 808 when we continue. Thanks, Martha.
Thank you.